Zayoni, oh Zayoni, चैन एक पल नहीं, चैन एक पल नहीं, चैन एक पल नहीं, और कोई हल नहीं, oh Zayoni, oh Zayoni. Zayoni, Zayoni. क्या बशर के बेसार, क्या बशर के Zayoni, oh Zayoni. खता छोड़ मेरी खता, छोड़ मेरी खता, तू तो पागल नहीं, चैन एक पल नहीं, चैन एक पल नहीं, चैन एक पल नहीं, कोई हल नहीं, oh Zayoni, oh Zayoni, oh Zayoni, oh Zayoni.
Welcome to India Post Live, India's first online live news interactive conversation web portal. I am Ms. Young Mobutia. Well, the band I have with me today is a 6-member band from New Delhi. Their love for music and the desire to create magic through their music is what inspired these school friends to form the band. They call themselves Sammohan. Welcome to India Post Live, guys. I have with me in the studio Himanshu, Ankit, Parth and Omkar. Welcome to India Post Live, guys. I have also with me online, joined by Rahul from New Delhi. Rahul is a big fan of Sammohan. And also, I am joined by Ankur. Ankur is the 5th member of Sammohan. Welcome to India Post Live. Hi. So to start off with you quickly, tell
Yeah.
us how would you define Sammohan music?
Sammohan is a journey of music that defines, soulful music. We create music for a layman, yeah, basically. Everybody in today's industry is creating music on technical basis, and different genres. But we define ourselves as an indie experimental band, which covers, Indian rock, starting from ragas, mixing ragas, fusing them with rock. So Sammohan is a music for our India. We define ourselves as a soul of India, as a soul of normal common man of India.
Okay,
Mhm.
that's so you guys were, if I'm not wrong, you guys were. The idea was formed to form the band back in school days when you
Yeah.
guys were studying together. Whose idea was it to form the band?
Okay.
Ankit,
Yeah,
okay.
actually, we jammed a couple of times, and we thought, okay, why not just form a band? We can do like good,
Okay.
Yeah.
So how old are you guys now as a band?
Like, it's almost a year. We started up in August last year, and somehow we won many competitions, inter college level, and we performed at many professional gigs. So it's not a new thing for us because I was working as a professional musician for past many years, and that's what I actually when I started up with this project. The idea was like to create music for something which is way different from many other bands are doing.
Okay.
So like our music speaks for a common man, for India. Like we cover social issues like according to our music. We influence from many Pakistani musicians, from various Indian musicians who are actually doing well, in their genres. And like as you can see, we started off with Junoon.
Yeah,
you know.
we started with Junoon. Yeah, that's a very popular number from Junoon. Okay, I have with me Rahul from New Delhi. Rahul is a big fan of Sammohan. Welcome to India Post Live, Rahul. Hello, Rahul. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay, Rahul, you listen to Sammohan, right?
These guys are not.
Okay, Rahul. Okay, we'll get back to Rahul. Yeah, I think there seems to be. Okay, Rahul, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us why do you listen to Sammohan?
It's an experiment. These guys are stupid. I really don't listen to.
Rahul, I'm not able to get your audio properly.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yeah, tell us why do you listen to Sammohan?
These guys are experimental rock band, and it's good to see this much talent in India.
Mm-hmm.
A bit of music and guitar, so definitely rocking and interesting.
Okay, so do you have you attended the gigs somewhere in Delhi?
Not yet, but I've heard their demos or jamming sessions.
Sorry, Rahul.
I've heard their jamming sessions,
Mhm.
not yet gigs,
Mhm.
but jamming sessions I heard.
Okay. So do you have any question or anything to say to the band members?
It's the everybody.
Okay, do you have anything to say to the band members?
I guess it's good to listen to you for first time and hope to see you soon in my college too.
Okay, okay. Okay, Rahul, we'll just get back to you. Can I have Ankur? Hi, Ankur. So Ankur is the fifth member of the band, right? So tell me, Ankur, about Sammohan. What sets you apart from the rest of the band?
Like music which comes from
Mm-hmm.
we belong from different families, but we make one soul together.
Mm-hmm.
And the music, basically, the music inspires a lot of people because the originality comes from within
Yeah,
us,
yeah.
basically. So I respect the music in India, which is of very different kinds, but we somehow try to make people entertain themselves in their respective fields.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah, okay, okay. So we'll get back to you on that note. So So do you guys do only covers or you compose your own song also?
Yeah, we're actually working on it.
Okay. So are you planning an album?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now we are in a process of recording our album, which is called as Marichika, and so it's just like we are fusing many different genres in it. So one of our tracks is like which we are doing in many shows also. It's Anjani Rahe, and this song talks about a lot our day-to-day lives. Like what we suffer in our day-to-day life. When
So
we
basically your lyrics deals with what we go through.
yeah,
Is that what you're saying?
it's people-oriented lyrics. Yeah, like our music is not music-oriented or genre-oriented. We are more or less people-oriented. We think like according to our music, we can take issues what people are suffering from in today's world. We are take example of Anjani Rahe. Like Anjani Rahe is more or less talk about a guy who is actually born in a Indian family.
So Anjani Rai is your own composition.
Yeah.
Okay. I would love to hear that.
Yeah, sure. Anjani Rai is a concept which talks about a guy who born and brought up in an Indian traditional family, was having his own dreams, making a rock band or being an artist. But their parents they have their own orientation. They have their own thinking about him, to make him a doctor or or an engineer. But this guy is in a mediocre of his life, where to go. So this song speaks a lot of
So is his story inspired from any real life story?
Yeah,
Everyone else, like,
Okay.
even Omkar is there. Himanshu is he's from Agra. He's not typically from Delhi, so he's staying here all the way from away from his family. We have our different orientations. We have our families are like middle class families. We are from very traditional Indian families, so they have their own agendas of life.
Yeah.
So same thing happening to me also, because I'm already graduate with my college. It's just like after this my parents are they want me to pursue different career in my life, more stable one.
So are your parents cool about you guys doing music full time, or do they say like music क्या करते हो भाई, खाना कहाँ से मिलेगा?
Yeah, they
कोई
always
नौकरी
say
कर
that.
लो?
They
Do
always
they
say
say
that.
Yeah.
It's actually happened a lot.
Parents were like, have to manage it.
What about you, Parth? You've been so quiet. आपके पेरेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं कि म्यूजिक क्यों करते हो, कुछ ढंग का काम ढूंढ के क्यों नहीं करते? Do they say like that?
मतलब म्यूजिक के लिए म्यूजिक है मेरे लिए,
Okay.
मेरी लाइफ में और कुछ नहीं है बस.
Are your parents supportive?
यार
Okay, that's nice. That's
ज़्यादा मम्मा करती हैं.
Okay, that's nice. And Omkar, what do your girlfriends think about your music? Now don't tell me that you don't have girlfriends. That's like lie.
This is one point to discuss, I
Okay.
guess. My girlfriend is in my hand. This is my girlfriend, my guitar.
Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, Ankur, tell me.
Ankur is having different agendas.
Ankur might be able to answer that question. Ankur,
Ankur knows about
you
me.
got to answer this question.
Yes, ma'am.
I said, what do your girlfriends think about your music?
The same answer goes for me.
What?
He's just
Don't tell me that music is my girlfriend. That's such a cliche.
it's not like that. To be very honest, being in a relationship is always a pleasant thing
I
for
said that
us.
you don't have time for girls.
See, it's a reality. After getting in in your house after 10:30, what do you expect? You to call your girlfriend and
Come on, you can't be making music 24/7. You got to take out time for girls.
yeah, it's not like we don't like girls, but we have plenty of girls in our life. But and still, it's a crucial decision to when to give time to what thing. It's a very
So do they get jealous with all the
It's-
female attention that you guys
yeah,
get?
it happens. It happens. It's our day-to-day.
How do you
chaos.
guys handle that?
Yeah, don't ask me.
And by breaking up, that's what happens at the end.
That's rude.
I know.
Actually, no, it's not. It doesn't happen on our part, but it happens on the on the girlfriend's part. They're like, why are you talking to her,
You
man?
understand this part that we are busy with something and we are doing something very constructive. So it's our day-to-day life. It's not a one-day process. You know, being in a relationship is a very different thing, and you have to be responsible on both the sides.
So you guys have no time for relationship.
Yeah, we have time for relationship, but on the same note, we also need other person to understand this fact that we also have certain space for us.
Or are you trying to be diplomatic that, you know, I have set my priorities, you know, accordingly. Right now, music is my priority, so my only focus is music, no time for girls.
Actually, you know what happens is कि you know on the like rather than, you know, talking to your girlfriend for like 2 hours a night, I would like to, you know, practice my guitar. this is what actually happens.
My previous experiences are like, you know, nightmares with the girls. Actually, you know, they're also biased with the careers of ours. You know, they think that music is okay for some time, but you can't pursue it for a longer time because they think it's unstable. So like, come on, this is my first love.
So you chose music over girls.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
They are mean actually that times.
So do you have any, you know, have you composed any song on that, the incidents with girls that you have experienced?
Right now.
Or you're planning to?
Yeah, we are planning to
Yeah,
actually.
we're
planning to.
actually. We made some music about it, and
But-
we're actually working on it.
But not on girls. But yeah, we are actually we have more you know, practical agendas to work it on. But yeah, it's also a part of life, and I love to compose something on a true love. You know, a passion in love. You know, I love these feelings and emotions of humankind.
So how many songs have you composed so far?
Right now, like we are already done with 6-7 songs, but still it's under process. It's not yet recorded, but we are jamming them on a regular basis. So we are done with Anjani Rahe because it's almost on a verge of recording. So like we can do it for you.
Anjani Rahe? Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
किस और जाना अनजानी राह और ना कोई ठिकाना नहीं है दुनिया का पता किस और जाना मेरे दिल बता है ही आसरा तुम्हें तेरी ये ज़मीं और आसमां तो है अनजानी राह और ना कोई ठिकाना नहीं है दुनिया का पता किस ओर जाना अनजानी राह और ना कोई ठिकाना नहीं है दुनिया का पता किस ओर जाना मेरे दिल बता जाएगा मेरे दिल बता जाने कहाँ तू सोचा है जो यहाँ मिलता नहीं पाना है वो मेरे दिल में है कहीं हाँ मेरे सपने वो मेरे अपने क्यों रोज मुझे यूं सताए हाँ मेरी धड़कन वो मेरे अरमां क्यों रोज मुझे याद दिलाए हर रात की नई सुबह है मेरे दिल बता जाने कहाँ तू है मेरे दिल बता जाने कहाँ तू है मेरे दिल बता जाने कहाँ तू है
Wow, that's Anjani Rahe for you. Is it part of the new album?
Yeah.
Okay. When the album is out, you must buy the album and don't download. Do not download. Okay, Rahul. Can I have Rahul? Rahul?
Yes.
Hi. What do you think of Anjani Rahe?
I think it's the original.
Sorry?
That's
Can you, Rahul, you're not audible enough. Can you speak a bit louder?
I'm saying I think it's the original song. I haven't heard of it.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Okay. I think the music is really good because what got me into your song was the first thing that struck me was the music. I think it's amazing, you know. Okay, can I have Ankit? Sorry, Ankur? Okay, Ankur, tell me about how did Ye Anjani Rahe happened?
This song is basically composed by my elder brother, which is the vocalist of the band.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Who's Ankit?
He only wrote the whole song and with the lyrics and composed it
Mm-hmm.
by himself. So the story comes from the guy who is basically an engineering student
Yeah.
and aspires to become a musician also,
Okay.
side by side.
Yeah.
So he struggles with his studies and the music too.
Mm-hmm.
So
So it's the
that's
story
how the
of
song goes.
yeah, it's a story of any struggling, you know, young man, right? That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, Himanshu, tell me, you know, there's so much competition out there, you know, today, so many bands in India. What is that one key thing that keeps you together as a band?
Thing is that you know we're just like a family. We can connect to each other's thought.
Because
we
obviously,
know.
I'm sure it's a big band, right? It's a six-member band. So obviously, you have, you know, differences of opinion sometimes. You know.
Yeah, it
so
all
how
happens.
do you overcome those things?
Yeah, you know, it's about, you know, we all discuss about it, and you know, we eventually, you know, come up to a point which is, you know, good enough for everyone. So we actually have a, you know, mutual understanding that is, you know, very strong part of the band, I would say.
So like I said, like I was saying that, you know, there's so much competition today out there, and you know, most of the band, their ultimate dream is Bollywood. Do you think you guys would, you know, like to eventually if you given an offer, you would like to compose?
Developing as a musician and earning money is everybody's dream. Everybody is money oriented, and when they go in any economic any occupation, I must say. But our motto is to earn money, but it's not like we need money desperately. We want to create something good for our world, actually, to get influence with. Making Bollywood music is not, it's you can listen to many songs nowadays, lungi dance and all.
Okay, on that note, let me ask you, what do you think about Honey Singh?
Oh man.
Okay.
We were discussing about this before the show.
Yeah.
What do you think about Honey Singh?
Yeah, he's a nice entrepreneur. I can
Okay.
say that.
Yeah.
He's a nice money maker.
He allows to, make
He's
people
a nice
stand up and
businessman, I can
dance.
say. I love Honey Singh for his businessman tactics. Being in industry.
What about his music as a musician? How do you feel about
He's
it?
doing what the people wants to hear. Matlab,
He wants to be youth oriented, and it's not at all bad in today's world. But simultaneously, somewhere he's lacking with the moral issues where India is lacking. Somewhere we like in India we have many different things. We are separated by different religions. We have different casteism and different things. Hell lot of what do you call differentiation in the society. But rather than covering different aspect of the society, you are earning money on something which is youth oriented is okay, but but on the same note you have to be responsible. But this ideology of earning money is good, but on the second
So you want to stick to the principle of creating original music and not just
Yeah.
music which is like
this is
you
what,
can't make head and tail out of the lyrics. Is
Yeah.
that what you're saying?
Yeah, this is what our elders taught us, and this is what we explored in our teachers and our influences. You can see Junoon. We are like biggest followers of them, because not because of their music and their style of living. It's just they got themselves into a rebellious attitude. They fought for their freedom. And being in a democratic country, it's everybody's right. They fought for human rights. It's not a bad issue. Understanding people's moral issues, it's not at all a bad thing.
Okay. But say something. You've been so quiet. Kuch bhi. What do you think of Sammohan? How did you become part of Sammohan?
समोन मेरी जान है.
Okay.
मैं इसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ.
कुछ भी.
हाँ. जैसे कि मैंने अभी लास्ट टाइम हमारा एक शो
10 ताले बिल्डिंग से छलांग मार सकते हैं? पक्का? अच्छा ठीक है. Then we'll do it after the show. Parth is jumping from the 7th floor of this building.
Or I can say
For Sammohan.
you can ask. The chick department is with him. you can ask.
Oh no, yeah. Why don't you take the ice bucket challenge? Everyone seems to be doing the ice bucket challenge. You can do that.
मतलब कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. मैं जैसे कि अभी मेरे 12th का मेरा लास्ट एग्जाम
No,
था.
you can start a hot oil challenge, for someone. Because everyone's doing ice bucket challenge, right? Ice bucket तो कोई भी कर लेगा, but what about hot oil challenge?
वो नहीं कर सकता.
We need him. He's a crucial part of a band. I can't. We are dependent on him.
We won't let him do something
Yeah,
which hampers the quality of a band.
Seriously, we are big biased.
What about Ankur? Ankur, would you like to take the hot oil bucket challenge?
Yeah, for sure. When the opportunities come.
See,
Because Parth is gonna do that after the show, because just now he said he can do anything for someone. So I just challenged him to take hot oil bucket challenge.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we'll see to that. Okay, guys, we have almost come to the end of our show. Last thoughts and comments before we wrap up the show. Ankur, let's start with you. What can fans of Sammohan expect in future?
Yeah, I see a great future ahead for us. Because the people are liking our compositions and inspiring us to make more music ahead. So I see a great future ahead for us.
Okay, and on that note, all the best to you, Rahul. Can I have Rahul?
Yeah.
Hi, Rahul. We have almost come to the end of our show. Sorry, we could hardly hear you. But your last thoughts and comments before I wrap up the show?
Okay.
Would you like to say something, Rahul?
All the best, guys, for your future, and I would love to see you again.
Thanks, Rahul. Thanks, Atanman.
Thanks, Rahul.
That's big for
so
us.
yeah, guys, we have almost come to the end of our show. So before we wrap up the show, I would request you to please play something for our audiences there.
Okay.
Okay.
So
This is one of the tracks from Kailash Kher album, Kailasa, and we'll be singing Teri Deewani.
oh, Teri Deewani. Wow, I like that song.
Yeah.
प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, हे मैं जाऊं बारी बारी, मोहे सुध बुध नाए रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी मैं दिल हारी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हारी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हारी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी। इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूले चढ़ जाए, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहले रस्ते रब बोले, यही इश्क की मर्जी है, यही रब की मर्जी है, यही इश्क की मर्जी है, यही रब की मर्जी है, तेरे बिन जीना कैसा खुद गर्जी है, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हारी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी
Well, thank you guys so much for coming to India Post Live and sharing your music with us. I, on behalf of India Post Live team, wish you all the best for your new album. Thank you, Himanshu, Ankit, Parth, and Omkar. And thank you, Ankur, for coming to India Post Live. Thank you so much. Well, the conversation does not end here. The conversation continues on indiapostlive.com. You can send us your comments on www.indiapostlive.com. You can also tweet us, send us your tweet about what you think of Sammohan. It's hashtag India Post Live or @India Post Live. You can also go to our Facebook page and leave your comments there. Well, I'll be back next week with another band. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching the show.